G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is July 7, 2023. This is the US S&P 500 market analysis, or chart analysis at least. We've got the bullish momentum on there weekly, but we've broken down into a bearish momentum on our daily and had a couple of divergence playing out, and it looks like it's hit a key resistance area. Well, let's talk about each of these. So first off, on the weekly, we've got this bullish momentum on our CCI and our oscillator, which is giving us this bullish signal and has done so for the last, since end of 22. So it's had a nice little small run there, nothing too major, but we may have hit a key resistance there. And if I go to the daily, you can see there more closely, we've got this, we did have it at 44.40. I'm going to move that up to the new highs there at 44.58, and it's hit that resistance, and it's now still gravitating along this ascending trend line. It's been doing that for a while now. Now, you'll notice here as well, we've got a bullish, if I zoom in, we've got a bullish momentum on our price. You can see they're lower there and higher price there versus a bearish divergence on a CCI, and that's a weakening potential sign. So there's going to be a potential downside here. So if we draw the way you measure that is you draw a channel between those highs down to the lowest point within that channel, within that divergence range, and we need to see the price break below this channel. And if it does that, then we're looking at potentially an initial target area. Go to that high. Initial target area will be, and I choose the closest Fibonacci range. Doesn't mean it's going to stop there. Could go further actually, but I like to be a bit careful and conservative in my trades. So the initial target area, should it break below there, will be that 38% at 42.99. But we'll give it a couple of Fibonacci levels. So that'll be our target area. If it falls below that channel, it'll hit this target area. Of course, it could go a lot lower, and a lot of these divergences do play out a lot more extensively than one or two Fibonacci levels. So that's how you would typically measure, and to be careful about taking quick trades. That's on the daily. On the hourly, you'll notice a couple of things. We've had you can see here, similar to the daily, we've got this long bearish divergence. And if I maximize that, you'll see there that's clearly a bearish movement trend on those, between those highs, versus a bullish divergence on the price. So that's one divergence target, and it's hit that. In fact, no, that's actually a smaller one. There's a smaller divergence here within that little range there, a bearish divergence there. That's the bullish divergence, and that was the small divergence, and it hit that range. So this larger range will be a bigger target, and that's similar to the daily. We've also got this other one here. We've got a between these two peaks. Let me zoom into that again. And if I draw another separate divergence, that's pretty much a flat or almost a double top, and that's still considered a divergence compared to the bullish divergence on the price between those two peaks there. So that's another area we need to look out for, and for that to work, we need to look at, again, between those highs down to there. And again, that sort of correlates with the daily chart as well. So that'll, if it breaks below there, then we're looking at a target somewhere in that range there. Well, I won't redraw it, but you can get the idea. So that's where we're at the moment. This has happened for all the major indices, the DAX, the FTSE, the ASX. I did put out a video just recently, just a few minutes ago, regarding the Nikkei. That's also got a divergence. So it looks like the markets are weakening, and we may have hit our peak, possibly. Of course, there's never a guarantee. This could always turn up, but that's just, I'm going on probabilities and what the market has shown us so far. It looks like it's going to potentially break to the downside. And where it stops, if it keeps going lower, who knows? This could be a major reversal, or it could be a very slight retracement before taking further upside. I can't tell you that at this stage, but at the moment all I can do is tell you what's happening in the current setups. So to understand how to trade some of these strategies, reference the Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.